What does TG4 stand for? Imagine tuning into a channel that brings Ireland's rich language and culture right into your living room. That's what TG4 is all about. The name TG4 actually stands for Televis Gaeltacht, which means Irish Television 4 in English. It's Ireland's public service channel dedicated to promoting the Irish language, also called Gaelga, and showcasing Irish culture through a variety of programs. When it first launched in 1996, it was called Televis na Gaelga, or Television of the Irish Language. Then, in 1999, it changed to TG4 to better reflect its focus on Irish language content. TG4's main goal is to keep the Irish language alive and relevant today. It broadcasts in Irish for most of its shows, including news, sports, documentaries, children's programs, dramas, and entertainment. This helps both native speakers in Irish-speaking areas, known as Gaeltacht regions, and people across Ireland and beyond to connect with Irish culture. Watching TG4 gives viewers a real taste of Irish traditions, music, and stories. For travelers exploring Ireland, tuning into TG4 can make your trip more authentic. You might catch live Gaelic football matches, traditional music shows, or documentaries about Irish history and heritage. The channel also streams online worldwide, so even after you leave Ireland, you can stay connected to Irish culture through its programs. Essence, TG4 is Ireland's dedicated Irish language TV channel. Its name highlights its focus on Irish language and culture, making it a key resource for anyone interested in Ireland's linguistic roots. Whether you're a native speaker or just curious about Irish traditions, TG4 offers a window into Ireland's vibrant language and cultural life. It's more than just a TV channel. It's a way to experience Ireland's unique identity through its stories, music, and language.